how to download and install MetaTrader application on Android. So let's get started. So first, just head over to your Play Store. It's a simple process. So simply searching for MetaTrader application just like this. And once you're inside here, just locate the second option, that is MetaTrader application. So this is the real application and it has over 10 million plus downloads. So it's the best for online trading with Forex and stock quotes. It also provides some charts as well as technical analysis and news. So you can just tap on this install button over here to quickly install the application. Based on your internet connection, it should automatically download and install on your device. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. So once it gets installed, just tap on this open button over here and just accept the privacy policy. And you can also actually create a demo account if you don't know how to get used to it. Then you can simply tap on this open demo account and register with your first name, last name, and as well as your follow-up information over here. And simply tap on register to open a demo account, or you can easily learn about virtual trading and charts from over here. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.